Body parts in Polish. Hej, cześć, siema, it's Retina. Do you want to know names of body parts in Polish? If you do, you are in the right place. But before we begin, remember that if you'd like more videos like this, please like, comment and subscribe. In today's video, I would like to teach you body parts in Polish. So repeat after me. Oko, oko, which means an eye. Ucho, ucho, which means ear. Ząb, ząb, which means tooth. Ręka, ręka, which means an arm. Noga, noga, which means leg. Dłoń, dłoń, which means hand. Stopa, stopa, which means foot. Brzuch, brzuch, which means stomach. Plecy, plecy, which means back. Włosy, włosy, which means hair. Nos, nos, which means nose. Usta, usta, which means lips. Pośladek, pośladek, which means buttock. Szyja, szyja, which means neck. Głowa, głowa, which means head. Policzek, policzek, which means cheek. Now I will repeat one after one. Oko, ucho, ząb, ręka, noga, dłoń, stopa, brzuch, plecy, włosy, nos, usta, pośladek, szyja, głowa, policzek. In today's dialogue, there are two main characters. Mama, which means mom, and córka, which means daughter. So let's begin. Mama. Czy nauczyłaś się słownictwa z angielskiego na jutrzejszą kartkówkę? Córka. Tak! Mama. To dobrze. W takim razie cię przepytam. Jak powiedzieć oko po angielsku? Córka. Eye! Mama. Correct! Jak powiedzieć noga po angielsku? Córka. Leg! Mama. Dobrze! Głowa? Córka. Head! Okay, so now I'll translate the dialogue. Mama. Czy nauczyłaś się słownictwa z angielskiego na jutrzejszą kartkówkę? Did you learn vocabulary for tomorrow's test? Córka. Tak. Means yes. Mama. No dobrze. Okay, that's good. W takim razie cię przepytam. So I will check it out. Jak powiedzieć oko po angielsku? How to say eye in English? Córka, eye. Means oko, you know. Mama, she said in English. And then she said, jak powiedzieć noga po angielsku? So how to say leg in English? And the daughter gave you the answer. And then mama, dobrze, good, głowa, which means head. And the daughter gives you the answer. So that's it. Today is so simple dialogue. Now I want you to take a piece of paper and try to translate all of the following words. I will give you 5 seconds for every single one of them. So let's begin. Number 1, eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 2, tooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 3, leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 4, stomach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6, nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 7, lips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 8, head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we are done. So now let's go to the answers. Here are the answers. Answer number 1, oko. Answer number 2, ząb. Answer number 3, noga. Answer number 4, brzuch. Answer number 5, plecy. Answer number 6, nos. Answer number 7, usta. Answer number 8, głowa. I hope you have all answers correct. All pictures were found on a public domain. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!